Planning a renovation, don't feel that everything you're getting rid of needs to go in a dumpster. Karen Bennett of Karen Bennett Designs is going to show us what to repurpose, reuse, or resell, because not only is it good for the planet, it's also really good for your budget.
Absolutely, yes. Anytime you're doing a renovation, especially springtime, now is when people are thinking, let's do a renovation. The goal here is sustainability. So trying to keep things out of the garbage, out of the landfill. We all know that renovating costs a lot of money. And it's always more expensive than you think. So try to think of things that maybe you can resell. So an easy one is furniture, rugs, lighting. So lighting's great. You can sell these things on online marketplaces. Really easy. You can punch in your location where you're going to sell, the number. Doesn't take a lot of work.
Yeah, we've got some B-roll for there. Yeah. It's very easy.
It's really easy. It doesn't take a lot of work, and it's nice that you can recoup some of those renovation costs. Can you believe one time I actually sold my whole entire kitchen online?
Really?
We purchased a house and we were doing a renovation, and the kitchen was 20 years old and we were redoing it. So online, we sold the cabinets, the counter, the sink, the faucet, the appliances, everything. It all stayed out of the landfill, and someone came and deassembled it and took it.
Oh, that's very cool.
Yeah.
And now it takes a little planning to do. Like you're just not going to go in with a sledgehammer and start knocking out stuff. You've really got to kind of plan ahead of time. Okay, we are keeping that. This is going.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. But we recouped a few $1,000s, and this old kitchen went into someone's cottage, so it was perfect.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. You also talk about donating, because there are lots of, like the Restore, Habitat for Humanity, that's one of them. And you can go in, and I always find that when I drop off stuff there, I end up going in, and then it's like, oh, there's all this cool stuff there, because it's not just homeowners that are donating, it's stores that are donating as well.
Absolutely. So sometimes you'll have like a hardwood store, you'll have an appliance store, you'll have a furniture store that will donate items. So sometimes it's free, which is incredible, and the prices are so low, and sometimes it is someone else's treasures, which is fine, which is great. But yes, think again, before you're going to do a reno, think about how you can, or what you can donate. So it's keeping things out of those bins in your driveway. So I just found this out. I think this is so amazing. Hardwood.
Okay.
Did you know that there are companies, before you're going to do a renovation, that will come in and take out your hardwood and repurpose it?
Now, is this only for like really old hardwood, like original hardwood, not the laminates from today kind of thing?
Yeah, not a laminate.
No,
not a vinyl,
but actual
a
hardwood.
But a hardwood and an engineered hardwood, and they will come in, because usually the people who demo, they just like take that up with a sledgehammer, like you said, throw it in a bin.
Yes,
But they'll actually restore it and sell it. So it just keeps it out of the landfill, which is amazing.
Okay.
Yes.
That's great. What's another great tip that you've got?
Yeah, the other thing is repurposing. So it's really great to repurpose things that you have. So again, like what I maybe don't feel I need to use, you might be like, oh, this is great. So things you can repurpose. So this is an old piece of art that was in my son's room. I just put a new frame on it and end up going in my living room after a renovation. So like just repurposing things. Another cool repurpose item is like, let's say you have an old dresser and you can use those dressers for a vanity. So if you cut off the legs, as long as the width is correct, you can cut off the legs, hang that vanity on a wall, add a sink. It can be a sink that goes on top of the dresser or underneath.
Cool, yeah.
And you can use that as your vanity. And that saves a lot of money, because those vanities are really expensive. Yeah.
And it looks really neat. It's a great conversation piece too, right?
Yeah. Another great tip is, so blankets, pillows, draperies, towels. Let's say you're renovating, you're taking everything out of your house and you're thinking of like donating it or throwing it in the trash. So anytime that we have to pack up our house, we need like plastic wrap to wrap up things like our dishes and our art and stuff like that. But take those old things like your blankets and towels and pillows and pack within that. So what I'm trying to do is not order all that plastic wrap. So not spend the money on the plastic wrap and all that plastic wrap.
Which you're going to throw away.
Totally. It stays, it's in the landfill, it's there forever. So try to think of like ways that you can use things that you have when you're packing up your items, so you don't have to order all that bubble wrap and plastic wrap.
That's a brilliant idea. And who's to say that you're even going to throw that out anyways? Because even from there, like a lot of animal shelters need old towels and blankets and stuff. Oh, we could talk for half an hour about this. We've run out of time, but we're going to get the links up to your website, Karen Bennett Designs, up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Great ideas.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.